How to invite members to your Trello board. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can invite members to your Trello board. The first thing you must note is that inviting members to your Trello board is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Trello account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, by the left side of the page, you'll see some options which include boards, templates, home, boards, highlights, views, members, setting. Just go ahead and click on members. Without clicking on members, you'll see the option invite to workspace. And then the next step is to type out the email address of the person. Okay, so you can just type out the person's email address in here. And then after typing out the email address, you have to ensure that it's the email address or it's the valid email address. And then once you're done, select it. And then you can just click select invite. You can decide to type out a you can type out a note if you want to, but if not, you can use the customized notes already and then click on send invite. And then once the person accepts the invite, the person will be a member of your workspace. And again, you can also invite a person using a link. And that's by clicking create link. And then once you click create link, the link will be just click copy link and then you can just go ahead and paste the link or send the link to the person. And then once the person clicks on the link and follow the required procedures, he or she would be made a will become a member on your board as well as your workspace. This is how it works. This is how you can invite members to your Trello board. Thanks for watching and have a good day.